What would you need for a good cup of coffee? First, the coffee particles have to be ground evenly in order to extract flavor locked inside beans. Otherwise, you will be like Months ago, 7 obsessed engineers have come together to find the best way for the consistent particle sizes. 35 different designs and prototypes have been made. Introducing the knob grinder. All the traditional manual grinders have the same design and have the same problem. Knob grinder has a different design. The axle in the middle is removed completely. It's beyond any other grinders you have ever known. There is simply no better way to prevent wobbling and ensure perfect consistency. Want to see another revolutionary move? Knob grinder has a stepless adjustment so you can make extremely precise and essentially infinite grind size adjustments. The system has eliminated the need to reset the mechanism each time it is used. You will never forget your last adjustment. There is nothing attached to the handle, so it can easily switch to the portable mode with a simple knob. The lid of the knob grinder can also be used for measuring the coffee beans before the grinding process. Last but not least, the body is just 2 solid parts. There are no springs, no washers, no dials, not any other small attachments. It provides incredible convenience for cleaning. Now, it's time for you to choose the best color for your taste. We are looking forward to your support to bring the first coffee grinder without an axle to all the coffee lovers around the world. Your support will also motivate us to design new engineering inventions for the coffee market. It is our biggest dream to deliver the best flavors locked inside the beans to your taste.
This is Hiku, a brand new hand grinder that we've engineered from the ground up. Let me show you how it works. See how quick and easy that was? Colin here started grinding at the same time I did. So, what makes Hiku so special? Well, most hand grinders on the market actually use the same size burrs, like this one. But we didn't want to use somebody else's burr, so we designed our own. It's bigger, so it grinds up to 3 times faster, but the grinder itself is still lighter and slimmer than Colin's.
But Hiku doesn't sacrifice quality for speed. It produces incredibly uniform particle sizes, like coarse and fine grinds. And with a stepless adjustment, you can easily dial in the perfect grind every time.
Hiku is also the very first hand grinder to use a wave spring to help keep everything perfectly aligned. And it holds 50 grams of beans, so you have enough to share.
Who are you talking to?
Stop compromising with your coffee. Hiku from Cancel Coffee.
an industrial designer and co-founder of Taimon. Over the past 7 years, we have designed a lot of unique coffee equipment. Now we are developing an ultimate hand grinder. We are sure it will be the dream grinder for coffee love. We proudly present Chestnut X. There are already so many excellent hand grinders. If we want to do better, we can only start from the core. The most important part, burrs. We made 3D modeling in computer where we adjust the parameters after analyzing the grinding state and referring to the experience of champion baristas. We came up with an idea. The grinding process involves cutting and squeezing. If we reinforce the cutting factor and reduce the squeezing factor, this will reduce fines more effectively and cut beans into the desired particle size. We came up with S2C structure, which means spike to cut. It spikes the beans into large particles and cut them into pieces. Then we process the samples and analyze the particle distribution. We adjust the tense versions to optimize the burst. Now we are pleased to get conclusive data based on S2C principle. Silver skin won't get ground directly. They will fall down in large sheets so you can sieve them easily. It helps to reduce the bitterness and get a cleaner cup of coffee. The burst will be made from 440 stainless steel, which is harder and more wear resistant with hardness of 58.5 to 60 HRC. We made a portable and foldable handle design before and got many positive comments. It's easier to carry and store. A well-known coffee critic said that every grinder should have such a handle. So we decided to use the sample structure on the X. The small structure requires high precision machining. I'm sure you will like it. Most of hand grinders have point-to-point adjustment. For some coffee lovers, limited clicks often fail to meet their need for more precise coarseness, while non-pore adjustment tends to slide the dial. Therefore, we designed a secondary adjustment, a small dial, and parts so delicate that you'd think it come from a Swiss watch. You can set directly to the number you want and fine-tune on a smaller dial. There are 24 clicks and you can adjust each click for another 5 secondary clicks. It means total of 120 clicks for very specific grinding. To make it easier to hold, we designed the outside square shape and round inside of the body. The entire body was cut by a whole piece of aluminum alloy by CNC. The accuracy error is controlled below 0.03 mm, which makes the machine have a very high coaxial degree. A click can be heard when the square base and body rotate and connect perfectly. The whole grinder is all made of metal. The stainless steel burrs, the shaft, and the bearings will give you a precise and smooth feeling. The top knob of the handle is also made of metal and you can rotate it smoothly for tens of seconds. A high-class logo in copper completes the luxury feel. We want to put our years of experience in design and manufacturing of hand grinders to produce the ultimate tool for professionals. You won't regret supporting us on this project and will be amazed by the results.